Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to share the news on 23rd of September 2023, prepared by Mohammed Suleiman Hadi. Political news. The Indian government has passed a new law called the Women's Reservation Bill, which gives 33% of the seats in the lower and upper houses of the Indian Parliament, the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, respectively. It means that there will be more women in the government of India. It also means that women will have more of a say in how the country is run. The Indian government announced 4 new science awards. The awards are called the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar. They will be given to scientists who have made important contributions to science and technology. The awards include a Lifetime Achievement Award, a Distinguished Contribution Award, an award for young scientists, and a National Science Award. International or world news. Scientists have found a 476,000-year-old wooden structure in Zambia. The structure looks like a post that was used to build a shelter. This is suggesting that humans in the past were more intelligent than we thought and could plan ahead to build lasting structures. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Suleiman, for the wonderful news. Quite knowledgeable. We got to know what the world is doing. Yeah, thank you so much.